Napakalaking bagay na palawigin nating mga Pinoy ang ating English vocabulary. Nang sa ganon, mas effective tayo sa ating communication skills. Kaya sa video na ito, I'm gonna share with you a bunch of English words and their respective advanced counterparts, their meanings, at mga sample sentences. Ready ka na ba mag-level up sa iyong English speaking? Madali lang to, promise. Basic English words and their respective meanings. Let's start. Easy. Effortless. Requiring little or no effort. Sa Tagalog, mani-mani lang yan. Walang kahirap-hirap. Sample sentence natin, the civil service exam was effortless for him. Difficult. Arduous, meaning requiring a lot of effort and perseverance. Todo effort. Ang hirap. Sample. Climbing Mount Everest is an arduous task. Fast. Lightning fast, meaning extremely quick and rapid. Mabilis o matulin. The sports car ran at lightning fast speed. Slow. Glacial. From the word glacier, a big chunk of ice moving at a very slow pace. Sa Tagalog, ang ibig sabihin ay sobrang bagal ang galaw.
Oh.
Parang nepotism sa government.
Oh my god.
The traffic in EDSA was moving at a glacial pace. Talkative. Loquacious, meaning tending to talk a lot in a lively way. Siya yung life of the party. I'm referring to the speaker. Okay? Siya yung buhay ng isang piging. Ayan, ang lalim, ano? He can either be entertaining or annoying. He was a loquacious person who never seemed to run out of stories to tell. Quiet, taciturn. Ibig sabihin yan, tending to be silent or reserved. Tameme. Hindi naman siya bingi,
Oh.
pero he's not a conversationalist kasi. So, nanahimik lang siya. Mas prefer niyang mapanisan ng laway. I am a taciturn person who prefer to listen rather than talk. Smart. Brilliant. Exceptionally intelligent and talented. Sobrang bright, nakakasilaw. Roger was a brilliant student who excelled in all of his subjects. Stupid. Obtuse. Ibig sabihin, slow to understand or learn. Sa Tagalog, di naman siya B-O-B-O. Slow lang talagang pumikap. He was an obtuse that he couldn't understand the simplest lessons. Funny. Hilarious. Extremely amusing and causing laughter. Sobrang nakakatawa, hindi katawa-tawa. Magkaiba yun, ha? Jokoy's jokes were hilarious and had the audience laughing non-stop. Boring, monotonous, lacking in interest or excitement. Yan ang ibig sabihin. Sa Tagalog ay boring.
Oh boy.
Parang walang pinag-iba ang boring tsaka boring. May ano lang siya, may hugot lang yung pagsasabi ng boring. The pastor's preaching was monotonous and put the audience to sleep. Interesting, fascinating, extremely interesting and captivating. Ito naman ang opposite ng boring. Switzerland is the most fascinating place I have ever been to. Happy, euphoric, meaning intensely happy and triumphant. Sobra o labis na kagalakan. And alam mo yung tipong about to pass out, ganun yun. Ganern. She was euphoric after winning the Miss Universe title. Sad, despondent, in a state of deep despair and hopelessness. Nalulumbay, na parang namatayan. Emma felt despondent after losing her job. Angry, irate. Siguro galing dito yung salitang irita na alam natin sa Tagalog, no? Naiirita, meaning extremely angry and enraged. The boss was irate about the poor sales performance. Surprised, astounded, meaning completely amazed and shocked. Napatulala o napanganga.
Wow!
I was astounded by the beauty of the Banawe rice terraces in Ifugao. Scared, trepidatious, meaning feeling anxious and fearful of something that might happen. Balisa is, I think, the closest Tagalog word for it. She was trepidatious about giving her valedictory address. Tired, exhausted, completely drained of energy and strength. Yung tipong gustong-gusto mo nang humilata at yung bang pumikit ng walang pake. I was exhausted after the long hours of travel. Hungry, famished, meaning extremely hungry and in need of food, derived from the word famine. Two words sa Tagalog, Tom Jones. We were famished after the long day of vlogging in Baguio City. Thirsty, parched, extremely dry na tipong bumibitak na ang mga labi mo and you need to rehydrate. You need something to drink. I was parched after the whole afternoon in the hot sun. Hot, sweltering, meaning oppressively hot and humid. It was sweltering outside, so we chose to stay in an air conditioned room. Cold, frigid, intensely cold. Yan ang ibig sabihin. Galing sa word na yan, yung brand name na Frigidaire. Oh, yung mga nakaka-relate, mag-comment below. Okay? Kung tama ako. Yan ang tawag natin noon sa ref. Ref na ang tawag natin or shortcut na refrigerator. It was so frigid last night in Tagaytay that my fingers were numb. Big, enormous, meaning exceptionally large. Dako kaayo sa Bisaya. The enormous pine tree towered over our house. Small, minuscule, extremely tiny. Gamay laang, sobrang liit o sobrang cute.
Oh.
Mamili na kayo sa dalawa. Ako yung last one. Okay? The baby boy's feet were minuscule. Good, exemplary, of the highest quality or standard. Ang ibig sabihin sa Tagalog, huwaran. Congratulations for receiving an exemplary rating on your month-end performance review. Bad, atrocious, extremely bad, or unpleasant. Wale. Ang simple ng meaning, no? Kumusta ang party? Wale. The food at the party was atrocious, and we couldn't eat it. Beautiful, breathtaking, stunningly beautiful, and impressive. Nakamamangha. The view of the Benguet Mountains was breathtaking. Ugly, repulsive, meaning displeasing to the eye and senses. Ang Pinoy slang niya ay Betty La Fea
Oh my god.
o Tsaka. The condemned building was a repulsive sight. Tapos na.
Oh.
It's time for you to learn the Pangasinan meaning of the featured words today. Yung basic, hayaan na natin yon. Pero bibigyan natin ng meaning yung advanced words na nabanggit natin at napag-aralan kanina. And let's start with effortless. Sa Pangasinan, singanan. Arduous, mairap. Lightning fast, maples. Glacial, matantan. Loquacious, malabir. Taciturn, maraan. Brilliant, maong yaulo. Obtuse, makapoy yaun talos. Hilarious, makapalot. Monotonous, makapayip-yip. Fascinating, marakap. Euphoric, malikalikat. Despondent, mairman. Irate, makakapasnok. Astounded, adayaw. Trepidatious, mapaga. Exhausted, akasawan. Famished, nairasan. Parched, amagaan. Sweltering, apitat. Frigid, ang batal-batal. Enormous, balbalag. Minuscule, malmalag. Exemplary, masanting. Atrocious, maritik. Breathtaking, bali-bali. Repulsive, aliw-liwa.